How to add layer in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to CapCut. Go to Edit. Select a new project. And then, if you want to add layers, all you have to do is go to Overlay and then Add Overlay. But if you are looking for a different option, what you can do is add audios and text or effects as your layer. So simply select any of it and it will be added as a layer over in this section. Let me show you by adding like this. So as you can see, you can also choose up to where you want to add this effect. So that's how you do it. You can do it with your text, with your effects, animations and many more. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.